Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing my review on these sticks from Sugar. It's their face forward stick. So I have these three sticks with me: contour, blush and highlighter. They have launched these sticks a long time back, I guess kuch months ho gaye hain when they launched this sticks. They have foundation stick, these three, and I think something for color correcting as well. तो आई हैव द फाउंडेशन स्टिक बट दैट आई ऑलरेडी यूज एंड मैंने उसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो किया हुआ है. आई मेंशन दैट वीडियो हियर एंड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स फॉर यू इफ यू वांट टू चेक दैट वीडियो. बट इन दिस वीडियो आई बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज थ्री स्टिक्स: contour, highlighter and blush. I actually wanted to do a first impression on these sticks and I recorded that video, but the footage was not good, so I'm recording it again. So this is not my first impression, this is the second time I'm using this sticks. So if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. So I've already done my eyes and my base, and the lipstick what I'm wearing on the lips is this one from Huda Beauty. It's their liquid matte lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife. This is what I'm wearing on my lips, and this color is really beautiful and I really like this formula as well. But this video is not about the lipstick, it's about these sticks from Sugar. So let's try these three sticks I have. So I have their contour stick, blush stick and highlighter. So I have not set my face because these are creamy sticks. So you should not set your face with a powder when you are using these kind of creamy products. So I'll apply these, and after that if I need I'll set the rest of my face. I've already applied powder under my eye so that my under eye concealer doesn't crease. बाकी मैंने face पे कहीं पे भी powder apply नहीं किया है. So now let's start with the contour stick. So this one is Sugar's face forward contour stick. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. So the packaging of this one is similar to the other packaging from Sugar. Sugar की इसी तरह के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इस तरह की कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग में आते हैं. द पैकेजिंग ऑफ Sugar's product is actually really good. So all the details are mentioned on the outer packaging only. Here name is mentioned and all other details like price, expiry details and everything is mentioned on the back. So this contour stick retails for 799 rupees and you get 9 gram of product in this, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. So there are two shades available in this contour stick. There is shade 01 which is milk chocolate brown shade, and 02 coffee brown which I have. So this milk chocolate shade, I felt ki this will be a little light shade for me, and that will go well with fair skin tones, or maybe that will be a good shade for contouring. But I thought I'll go with this one because I have a medium skin tone. So I think 02 shade जो है वो better perform करेगा, and I can always tone it down. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा dark color है ये, तो I can always tone it down. But so I thought of buying this one, and it works really well for me. So this is how this stick looks from inside. It comes in this matte black packaging. Front side पे Sugar का logo है, and on the back side the name of the product is written and the shade is written. And on the bottom you get this sticker जिसके ऊपर सारी details mentioned है, including expiry details, which is a really good thing. So when you open it, it looks like this. So the packaging is very bulky. You get this kind of packaging. It reminds me of these sticks from Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty जो brand है उसमें भी इसी तरह की sticks आती हैं, like blush, contour and highlighting sticks. तो ये जो packaging है काफ़ी similar है Fenty Beauty के sticks की packaging से. So this is how this looks like. As you can see, this stick is very pigmented and it's very creamy, and this shade of the stick will work really well as a bronzer for me. So I'm applying this here first. So I'm applying first only little amount because it's highly pigmented. So मैं थोड़ा सा apply कर रही हूँ, and I'm applying only on this area. Now it's a creamy product, so you can either use your brush or beauty blender to blend it. I prefer beauty blender, so I'm using this beauty sponge. And whenever you are blending this right, you should always blend it upwards, not downwards. So that's what I'm doing. And always try to take it to your hairline so that कुछ weird सा यहाँ पे color difference ना दिखे. Take the product till your hairline. So as you can see, मैंने उतना ही अमाउंट अप्लाई किया था एंड बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो गया है एंड इट्स नॉट एट ऑल पैची. I always find it difficult to blend the products on my left side. So you can see it's looking really beautiful. It is giving very nice warmth to the face. So I'll apply one more layer of it, only little bit, not much, and I'll blend it again. Now it's possible that when you are blending it, you might get some product on this area, आपकी cheek bones के थोड़ा नीचे, but it's fine. You can always clean that area using a loose powder or something. So one more thing, as you saw, like I applied on both the side and I was blending it, and जब मैं यहाँ वाला blend कर रही हूँ तो this was also easy to blend. So it means you have enough time to blend this. It doesn't set quickly on the face, तो आपके पास enough time है to blend it. कई बार क्या होता है ना, कुछ क्रीमी प्रोडक्ट होते हैं तो बहुत जल्दी सेट हो जाते हैं, तो आपको जैसे ही आप अप्लाई करें उसके साथ साथ आपको जल्दी से उसको ब्लेंड करना होता है, बट दैट डजंट हैपन विद दिस वन बिकॉज इट डजंट सेट क्विकली. So this is done. Now I'll clean this area a little bit once we are done with the whole contouring thing. So now I'm applying on my jawline. Again I'm applying with a very light hand because I can always build up this. So I always start with less amount because it's easy to build up the color. आपको लगता है कि आपको और ज़रूरत है तो you can always apply more product and blend it. Now when you are blending the this product on your jawline, always blend downwards, don't blend upwards. And I like to apply it little bit on this side so it actually gives the illusion of a very shaped jaw. It cuts down the fat sometimes you have on this side. So my forehead is not big, but still I like to apply bronzer on the corner, so I'm doing it. And if you have big forehead, you can apply little bit here. I'm just applying it to show you, so you can apply this here. Now when you are blending this area, just blend this like this, again downwards. And when you are blending this part, blend it upwards. So you can see कितनी अच्छी सी shadow and बहुत अच्छा सा warmth provide कर रहा है ये. I really like this. So this much is enough and I'll just clean this area using powder. So I'm cleaning little bit. You can use sponge as well. I had little bit of powder on the brush, so I'm just using it. I think I need more. So what it will do, it will just clean any extra product you have by chance on this area. Now about the contour stick, it's very creamy, it's highly pigmented. As you saw, like the pigmentation of this contour stick is really opaque, but it's very easy to blend. आप इसको layer up कर सकते हैं. If you want less coverage, you can apply less product and it will be very easy to blend. And if you want more coverage, if you want more pigmentation, you can easily layer up this product and ये easily blend हो जाएगा. बिल्कुल भी patchy नहीं है and the color of the stick is really good. It works really well as a bronzing stick, and this shade is really good for medium or deep skin tone people. It will work really well. Now let's talk about the blush stick. So this is the blush stick, face forward blush stick, and this also comes in this kind of packaging. The packaging of this product is similar. Actually all the sticks comes in similar kind of packaging, and again all the details are mentioned on the packaging itself. So this blush stick also retails for 799 rupees, and again you get 9 gram of product in this. The shelf life of this stick as well is 3 years. There are 3 shades available in this blush stick, which are 01 Coral, and second one is Mauve Marble, which is a mauve shade, and third one is Pink Premise, which is a rose pink shade. I got the shade 02 Mauve Marble. So this is how the inner packaging of this stick looks like. This is similar to the contour stick. Again matte black packaging. यहाँ पे sugar लिखा है, and on the back name of the product and the shade is mentioned, and on the bottom you get this sticker which has all the details, and when you open it, it looks like this. So the packaging is actually similar like for all the products, and this is how this looks like. It's a very beautiful shade, and again it's very creamy and pigmented. Now let's apply this. So I'm using this stippling brush. This brush is from PAC. It's their 306 brush. So this kind of stippling brushes works really well for these kind of blush sticks. So I'm taking the product on this brush and I'll just apply it. So I'm just stamping first and then I'll blend it. You can see it is really really nicely pigmented. So I just blend this. Again I'm going with a very light hand because you can always build up the color if you want more. So you can see it was really easy to blend, and it provides a very nice flush of colors to the cheek, and it looks so natural. Actually creamy जो product रहते हैं ना, उनका यही सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा benefit रहता है that they look so natural on the face. Now I'll apply on this side. I like to apply a little bit on my nose and chin. So now I'm going over with this sponge. So what will it do? It will absorb any extra product I have, and it will blend everything together. So this shade of this blush stick is actually really good. Now I am okay with this much pigment, but if you want you can always apply more. Let's apply a little bit more. I'm directly applying it because I want, okay, like this. I'm applying only this much and I will just blend it. So you can see it looks so natural, and the stick is actually really good. Again this is also very creamy, highly pigmented. Like you can see the pigment is really nice, and it's very easy to blend. You can use either brush or a beauty sponge to blend this, and it will be very easy to blend. Again it doesn't set very quickly, so you have enough time to blend this product as well, and you can see it looks so nice. I can't comment on the other shades which are available, but this shade which I have, this shade 03 Mauve Marble, this shade is really beautiful, and it looks really natural and really nice on the face. And yeah, I love this product. So the last product we have is this highlighter stick. This is their face forward highlighter stick. So this also comes in this kind of packaging. Again the same packaging as contour and blush stick, and all the details are mentioned on outer packaging. So this stick also retails for 799 rupees, and you get a same amount of product, like 9 grams you get in this one as well, and the shelf life is again same, 3 years. This highlighter stick comes in 3 different shades. So first is 01 Champagne Champion. I believe that will be a champagne shade, and then this shade 02 Royal Rose. I have this shade Royal Rose, which is a pink kind of shade, and third one is Bronze Bellwether, yeah, which is a warm gold shade. I got this shade 02 Royal Rose, which is a pink highlighter. So this is how it looks from inside. Again same packaging, matte black packaging. Product name and shade is mentioned here. All other details are mentioned on the bottom. And when you open it, it looks like this. And this is also has a really good pigmentation, as you can see. So as I told you, it's a pink highlighter. Now let's apply this one. So I'm applying this directly. So I'll apply it on the high points of my face. I'll apply only this area, and first we'll blend this much. Again, I'm using the beauty sponge to blend this one as well. So this is how it looks. It doesn't give you that blinding glow, but it provides a very subtle finish, and this kind of cream products are meant for that only. So this kind of cream products give you a natural finish, natural glow. I'm applying it on the edge of my nose, chin, a little bit here. I want a little bit more here, so I'm applying more. Since these products are very easy to blend, you can easily layer up these products. So this is how it looks after applying 2 layers. And you can see it is looking really beautiful, right? So this stick is also really good, very creamy again. Pigmentation is good, it's very easy to blend, and it looks very natural. It gives you a very subtle glow. It gives you a very natural glow, and this looks so beautiful. And this shade, this rosy shade, is really nice. I'm not sure about the other shade, but I'm hoping that बाकी shades भी काफी अच्छे से perform करते होंगे. But this one is really good. If you are looking for a natural finish and natural look, these sticks are really good for that. So this one is also good. Now I'll quickly set my face and complete rest of my makeup and come back. So overall these sticks are really good. This is the second time I use these sticks, but I enjoyed using these, and all these sticks perform really well. It's not like कोई एक product अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. तीनों ही sticks जो हैं, ये blush, highlighter and contour stick, तीनों ही sticks काफ़ी अच्छे से perform करती हैं. काफ़ी creamy है, बहुत easily blend हो जाती है, pigmentation भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. So मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया. Now about the price point, each of these retails for $7.99, which I know a little bit costly, but you can always look for discount. Like when I purchased, purchased on these sticks on buy 2 get 1 free offer, so I paid for 2 and I got the third one is free. So you can also look for this kind of discounts. शुगर पे काफ़ी discounts चलते रहते हैं. शुगर की own website पे अगर आप देखेंगे ना, so they run a lot of discounts on their own website. So you can always look for discounts if you are willing to purchase this sticks, but you don't want to spend that much money. You can always look for offers and discounts. And about the availability, these are easily available on Sugar's own website, and these are available on Nykaa as well. I think दूसरी websites पे भी available होगा ये. If I'll find any other links, I'll provide in the description box. So you can check the description box for more information. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. My YouTube analytics say that many of you are not subscribed, so please do subscribe. Please hit that red subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It's totally free, but it helps me a lot. So I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell next to subscribe button, so that you'll be able to know whenever I'll upload a new video. You'll get a notification from YouTube on whenever I'll upload a new video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.